So let's look at Chapter 6. I have to change the recipe, genius level. And so what we want to do is zoom in on the first problem. And let's see what we can figure out. Okay, so we have a ratio problem, 50 bananas, 1.5 pounds. And let's just put the bigger number on the bottom. So we have 1.5 makes 50. So then how much do we need for 75? So in this case, we want to look, and it's not real obvious what the relationship is between 1.5 and 50, but the relationship between 50 and 75 is one that we can get. Okay? Is it a times 2 relationship? Well, no, that would be 100 would be times 2. So what is it when you go from 50 to 75? Well, 75 equals 50 plus half of 50. So this is a 1.5 times relationship. So we have to do 1.5 times 1.5. Okay? Well, 1.5 times means the number once, the quantity once, and then half of 1.5. And so you might say to yourself, well, I have no idea how to get half of 1.5. But actually, it's not so bad, right? So if you think about, so if I want to cut 1.5 in half, I just change it into 1 plus a half. And half of 1 is a half, and half of a half is a fourth. So if we put those together, we get 3/4. So we have to take the two quantities. So we take times 1 would be 1.5. Half of that is 3/4, and put them together. But 3/4 we can think of as a half and a fourth. And putting those together, we have 1 plus 1 plus a fourth. So we'll need 2 1/4 pounds of bananas.